Keeper, performance engineered. The Keeper Side Loading Ratchet is a new design that allows the strap to be loaded from the side, making it fast to secure cargo. It's the simplest to use. An easy-to-grip handle makes it perfect for all size hands or use with gloves, and a smooth ratcheting system gives increased leverage. It's the easiest to load. Pull the release lever and open the ratchet handle until fully extended. Open the side gate and insert the strap sideways. Close the side gate, pull the release lever, and bring the handle back to start ratcheting. It's also the fastest to release. Pull the release lever and open the ratchet handle until fully extended. Open the side gate and slide the strap right off the spool. Available in a 14-foot, 1,000-pound working load limit for the DIY enthusiast, a 14-foot, 1,500-pound working load limit for the hardworking professional, and a 27-foot, 3,333-pound working load limit for the demanding commercial application. The Keeper Side Loading Ratchet, the best ratchet you'll ever own. Keeper, performance engineered.